Isang grand videocon ng reunion movie ni na Joshua Garcia at Julia Barreto, The Unhappy For You, na ipalabas na ito sa July 14 in all cinemas.
Happening right now on Showbiz Balita.
Sa nangyaring media conference kagabi sa cast ng Unhappy For You ay naging sentro ng mga press sa mga tanungan sina Joshua at Julia. Ngunit sa nangyaring media conference ay nawalabas na rin ang kakulitan ni na Julia at Joshua.
Ako yung kinanta na lang.
Kaya, isang masayang media con ang nangyari sa Joslia Love Team at buong cast nito.
More intense, please, because I can have Joslia is officially back! Kaya, Julia Barreto! May mga chemistry talagang tinatawag, ano? And they're so perfect. Look at them.
Hindi maiwasan. Hindi maiwasan ang hamugod sa past.
Ako naman i-spoil masyado yung naging process namin. Josh, kasi it's such an intimate one and na kami lang talaga magkakaintindihan habang ginagawa namin to. But siguro ginawa naming inspiration was lalo yung happy memories namin. Those happy memories that we really built so much in the past. Kasi, joke lang. That's a joke, guys. Relax. Ako, genuinely, Josh, thank you. Because, naramdaman ko sa buong time na sinushoot natin tong pelikula na to, inalalayan mo talaga ako. Kilala mo ako, alam mo kapag medyo kinakabahan ako sa eksena, pag medyo parang yung energy ko nagbabago. Thank you because ganun din, you're always asking kung okay ako and you're always finding ways to make sure na everything and everyone on the set, okay kaming lahat. Hindi lang ako, everyone iniisip mo sa set. And thank you because ikaw din naging open ka to this idea of working together again. We're crazy for doing this, but thank you for being open and being so generous and honest in all of our scenes. And yung sorry, mapapanood yun naman sa movie kung ba't siya nag-sorry.
Thank you, Julia, for being open.
Okay.
Sa buong journey natin sa pelikula. Sobrang thank you. So, thank you kasi alam kong hindi ako mag-isa and wala akong dapat ika-sorry. Yun lang.
Ikaw daw yung alak na yan. Zainul ang pangalan yan. Masarap yan. Pero hindi mo namamalayan, tatamaan ka na dyan. Traidor yan eh. Zainul, no comment? Tama na. Alis ka na naman!
Juancho, tama na, please.
Tama na.
I never cheated on you. We were together for 4 years. Hinayaan kong baguhin niya ako, yung buhay ko. Just too much. I don't wanna go back.
Sobrang excited ko. Hindi ko na mabuo yung word. Hindi po namin nakala na diba finally makagawa tayo ng ulit. So this is really a very special one. But thank you for joining us.
Let me tell you.